Using choice-based arts with students of special needs was a project that developed due to the levels and abilities of this specific population of students. I teach 50 students with special needs on 5 different days. While every student varies in their ability, these students have physical and cognitive disabilities also. Several are nonverbal, many have undeveloped fine motor skills, a few have multiple disabilities. A few have behavioral issues, but all have something to express. As a teacher, the vast difference in abilities within a specific class was a new experience for me. How could I plan a lesson, teach the students, and assess their skills when many of them cannot verbally communicate or hold a crayon? I began to research adaptive materials to use for projects. For example, we painted with sponges and cut up pieces of cardboard. Once these adaptive materials were available, even the students who did not need them wanted to explore and create projects with them. It was because of this exploration that I decided to offer a choice within the projects that were planned. I started the choices small, allowing the students to choose between certain media. For example, a student could use tempera paint, colored pencils, or watercolors to complete their projects. I then began to offer a choice between subject matter. While learning about famous artists, the students could choose between a portrait done in the Picasso style or a still life painting in a Picasso style. I did not want to offer full choice right away for a few reasons. The first being that I was unsure of how to do this. Do I make a choice board, let the students vote on ideas, or set up stations? A second reason is sometimes when a student is given a completely free project to do, they are so overwhelmed that they cannot choose and they do nothing. I did not want this to happen. I know that this specific population of students is not normally given full choice throughout the day, so I felt that beginning it slowly would work best. After a few classes of small choices, I introduced the choice-based stations. The paper mache station, where students can use paper mache over mask forms, balloons, or cardboard constructions. They can create anything that they would like. The painting and stamping station contains paintbrushes, paint rollers, and alphabet and number stamps. I also included marble painting for those students to also explore. Paintings by Jasper John were on display so that students can see how other artists used letters in their artwork. The students may explore this material to create anything. A recycled materials station that contains paper towel rolls, scrap cardboard, bottle lids, egg crates, and other material. An example of artwork by Marisol and Louise Nevelson are also on display so that students can see how others use recycled materials in their creations. A still life is always set up for students to draw from or to use for inspiration in a project. Different objects are also available for close-up study, paintings, and drawings. A popsicle stick station is available for use in building 3D creations. The students can choose how to put them together and what to create. Anything from houses to bowls to picture frames. Watercolor, markers, and colored pencils are available for students who want to create a drawing or painting of their choice. There are examples of artwork that use these materials hanging throughout the room. It is at this station that the majority of students explore their needs. Paper mosaic station is set up for students to use to create mosaic pictures or to just help build fine motor skills. A printmaking station is available with rubber fish forms to explore the Japanese art of fish printing. The students can just leave them plain or use them in finished creations of paintings. Glitter and feathers and embellishment are available at another station to add any last-minute touches to the students' artworks. Some stations are not always available each time, but if a student asks, I will set it up for the next class period. Students are allowed to move around the room to create using any of the materials that are available to them. I was nervous at first using the stations, but the students' responses have been excellent. I have not had any behavior issues, but the major rewards come in the faces and actions of the students, especially those that are nonverbal. I see students deciding on where they will work. Will they stay with a friend or go to the station they choose? I see students exploring new materials they have not used before. I see students working on long-term paintings. I see students becoming teachers to their classmates and demonstrating how to achieve certain results. I see students that do not have a voice that now have the ability to express what they choose. I see helping hands. I see smiles and pride in their artwork. All of the projects are as different as each student and completed to the best of their ability. However, it is not the artwork that has amazed me the most in this class. It is the learning that takes place in the process. The finished artwork is the physical result of that learning.